Everybody, welcome back to an all new video of Slim the Streamer. Smash that like button and subscribe button. Okay, so what to do if your gaming PC or monitor gets struck by lightning and it goes out? Now, this situation happened to me a few years ago. It's pain in the behind. It actually happened to a buddy of mine. His PlayStation went out. So this involves console gaming, PC gaming, pretty much electronics, right? So what to do in this situation if you're playing your game, if you're on your computer, it's doing a storm, lightning strikes it, it goes kaput, you're done, is out. What do you do? Well, there's a couple of things you can do. So, first thing you can do is couple of things. All right. One, if you already have a warranty, right? If you buy your electronics, let's say a PC or whatever, through Best Buy, Walmart, stuff like that, Amazon, and I buy myself through Best Buy. This happened to me. This happened through Best Buy. So let's just go through Best Buy, right? So I bought let's just use my situation basically. So I bought a gaming monitor, not the monitor I have now, but the monitor I had before then. I bought a gaming monitor through Best Buy. It was an LG, and was playing the game. It was doing a storm, and yeah, the storm hit it. It went out, right? Luckily, the PC itself did not go out, but the monitor did. The monitor just died, right, during the storm. Lightning hit it, it's gone, right? I was pissed. I said, okay, what do I do? So in my situation, now I did not get the Best Buy extended warranty, right? I did not get that Best Buy extended warranty at all. Okay. Um, so if you did have the Best Buy extended warranty, you could just obviously call up Best Buy customer support, take it back up to Best Buy, say, hey, um, my monitor, let's just say it was the monitor in my situation, my monitor went out. What do what do I do, right? Now, if you already have a warranty through Best Buy, you could just return it to Best Buy, go through their particular policy, and I'm sure they either swap it out or just see you try to fix it. If they can't fix it, they'll just pretty much swap it out for a refurbished one or maybe a brand new one. Depends on the situation, right? And they'll ship it back to you. If they already have it in the store, most likely they'll just swap it out, right? If it's already in the store, they'll just swap it out. In my case, I did not have the Best Buy warranty. So this is for those, if you do not get the warranty, this is what you want to do. So I called up Best Buy. They told me, well, did you get the warranty? I told them no. They said, okay, you will have to contact LG, right? So I contacted LG. You might want to get the extended warranty because I can't speak for no other brand. I can only speak for LG. I cannot speak for no other brand but LG. It was a pain in the butt, a pain in the rump going through the process of returning my monitor back to LG to swap it out or whatever. It was a pain. Oh my God. So let me tell you what happened. So I gotta get me a I gotta get me another monitor arm so I can talk directly into the mic. But so I called up LG. You got to go through all these different prompts on the phone. You're on your phone. You got to go through all these different prompts, all these different numbers. Press one for this, press two for this. It's all AI. I just wanted to talk to somebody to try to explain the situation so I can try to get my monitor figured out, right? Because I didn't know what to do, right? So finally I get a hold of somebody. The lady at LG, and look, let me just say this. And I don't mean no disrespect. No disrespect to anyone outside the US. Hand to God, I do not mean no disrespect to anybody outside the US. But it's always a foreigner on the phone. Again, no disrespect, but it's always a foreigner on the phone, and they can barely understand you. You can barely understand them. It is frustrating, right? So I'm on the phone with this lady. Man, she said, like, okay, okay, well, no, I didn't get the, okay, what happened, right? So we went through what happened. I told him it was a storm. It went out. Okay, well, first thing you got to do is do you got the original box? I think did I have the original box? I don't know if I had the original box to it or not. I don't think I did. But anyway, okay, well, you gotta look on the back of the piece on the monitor, right? Had to look on the back of the monitor, there's a code. All right. You get the code. Then you gotta send them the code. Then you gotta get before you can send them the code, you gotta get their email address. Then once you get their email address, you gotta send them the code. Then once you send them the code, they got to send you a code. Then once they send you a code, then you got to fill out this long behind form on what actually happened to your monitor. What brand is it? What unit number is it? What serial number is it? What number is this? What number is that? Like, dude, it was a long, long process. So then I had that was that because I called like late at night because it happened that night, right? I had to call back the next day, talk to somebody else to go through this whole process over again because, oh my God, it was just a long, long aggravating process, bro. It was long. Like it took like a day or so to get it figured out. Then they said, well, they go, okay, well, you're gonna have to send us the monitor. And once we get the monitor, we have to look over it. Then we'll call you to figure out what's going on. Then we can go from there. So I'm like, man, what? So I've sent in the monitor, and I asked the lady for a time frame or how long this takes. She don't know. So I sent the monitor. Now weeks go by, right? Weeks go by. They get the monitor. They email you back. You got to confirm all of these different things. You got to confirm this, confirm that, confirm this. Then they'll send you another email a few days later. This is the thing that bothered me. Once they got the email, in the email, they said, well, give us another 10 days and we're going to figure out what to do. It took weeks for me to even hear from them after I already sent the monitor off to them. Then, once I finally hear from them, it took another few weeks to get a response from that situation. I'm like, bro, what the world? So they finally hit me back and say, okay, we're going to send you out a new monitor because the monitor, we can't fix it. We're just going to send you out a new one. That took another 30 days. Like, bro, that that took another 30 something days. It it was the most aggravating situation, most frustrating thing you had to go through, right? So I can't speak for Best Buy now, Best Buy or like if I would have bought the actual if I would have actually brought the warranty through Best Buy, it probably would have been a lot simpler. They probably could have just exchanged it, whatever, right? Probably been a lot simpler. But going through the actual manufacturer's way of doing it is a pain in the rump. Like I got a video, a quick guide to show you how to get through the parts of the you know how to get through the parts of where to navigate if you don't know what to do. So watch that video at the end. It's a quick video showing you guys how to actually navigate through it. But man, it is oh my god, it it sucked. Like it was a pain. Again, I I buy my gaming equipment through Best Buy. I don't. Well, my gaming PC I bought through Amazon. So, but my monitor and stuff, normally I get it through Best Buy. I love Best Buy, right? So, but even with Amazon, they have third party claims where you can get extra warranties to third party people. But it's a pain in the butt, bro. It is a pain in the rump. So I had a homeboy. He had a he had a PS5. His PS5 went out, right? So it's another situation, right? So if his PS5 went out during a storm, died on him, right? He had a couple of options. You can either take it to now. I don't know if you guys had this where you're at, but where I'm at, we have what's called Mr. PC. Mr. PC, you can take it to them, depending on the situation. If they can fix it, they may charge you some money. Depends on whatever it costs to be fixed, right? You can take it to Mr. PC. Maybe they can fix it. If not, you'll have to go through the actual manufacturer. He told me he did the same thing. It was hell on wheels. It was aggravating. Uh, but I mean, that's what you got to go through, right? If you're playing these electronic stuff and it's a storm, first of all, try not. If it's a storm and you know it's coming, try not to play it. Cut everything off. You don't have to unplug it, but just cut everything off. Wait it out. If you gotta have like something to do, I don't know, go play a board game or something. Go actually talk to somebody, right? Get off the computer, right? Um, but things like this does happen, right? And it happens, it sucks. And you got to go through the steps of going through the manufacturer to try to exchange it out. It is not a quick process. It's a stressful, aggravating process. But that's what happened with my situation. Let me know what happened with your situation. But if your system does go out during a storm, you will have to either go through where you bought it from. Now, let's say you bought it from Best Buy, Walmart, Amazon, and you still got your receipt and you're in your 30-day, right? Let's say it just malfunctions, right? Within 30 days or it storms within 30 days. Take it back to wherever you bought it from, give them the receipt, say it died. Hey man, I don't know what happened. Yeah, it just stopped working. They will either, and you still got your receipt, they will give you your money back or they will exchange it for a brand new one, right? Tell them you just go up there mad, right? Oh man, this is some BS, right? And they'll give you your money back or they exchange it for a brand new one, right? But if you pass your 30 days, you don't have an extended warranty and it dies, go contact the actual brand of whatever you bought it from and just hey, tell them it died. Tell them it died, and you don't know what happened, and you need a brand new one. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know if this happened to you. Smash that like button and subscribe button, guys, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.